What's going on, people? Blessing to you, blessing to your family. Welcome back to a Jamaica Alpha Space. I haven't been around for a bit. Yeah, but I've been really busy. But I promise, all of that is over and I am back. Back in the building. You know what I mean? So, shout out to everyone. I hope you all have been doing well, especially now in the Christmas season. Christmas is coming on and it's a jolly time. And in Jamaica, I know a lot of cake is being whipped up. We call it black forest cake, right? Or black cake, some people call it. You know what I mean? Christmas cake. Yeah, so wherever you are in the world, just big up yourself in this holiday period. Yeah, it's a time for family. So if you don't have a family, you know what I mean, just bless up yourself same way. And keep your heads up, you know what I mean? No matter how hard things seems, you are still here. So that means that, you know what I mean, you're winning the fight. So blessing to you all the time.